Welcome to the Awesome Kids Art Hub. Today, we're going to draw a beautiful seahorse. Let's begin drawing with its sparkling eyes. Did you know they can move each eye in a different direction? Let's begin with the head, kind of like a horse, right? That's why it's called a seahorse. Did you know that seahorses are actually fish, even though they don't look like it? Let's curl that tail around. It's not just for looks. They use it like a monkey uses its tail to grab things. A seahorse's tail can grip seaweed and coral to stay in place when the water gets wavy. Seahorses are one of the only fish that swim upright. Even though they're small, the fins flap super fast, like a hummingbird's wings, to help the seahorse stay afloat. Instead of scales, seahorses have bony plates under their skin, like tiny armor. Seahorses don't have teeth or a stomach, so food goes in and zooms right through. One eye can look forward while the other looks behind, handy for spotting food and predators at the same time. Seahorses can change color to blend in, like underwater ninjas. So don't worry if you want to color it purple, blue, or even rainbow, they're magical like that. Thanks for watching. Bye.